The heat is on! The heat is on at Aussie Pumps. Hi, I'm Wayne from Australian Earthmoving, and it occurred to me that whilst I love talking about new machines, it can't be overlooked the importance of maintenance and keeping your machines looking like new. Full disclosure, I used to work at Aussie Pumps for quite a while back in the day. So look, I might be a little biased, but truly believe that their cleaning equipment is the absolute best on the market available today. It's when you open up the pumps and really get into the high-end build quality and the high-quality components that you see the difference. And of course, I am not advocating that you do not do that. But you know, I've got to say, like my own little 240 volt pressure cleaner that I bought from them well over 20 years ago, it's still way better than anything by a country mile that you'd buy from Bunnings. And I'm sure it's going to outlast me for sure. Anyhow, I digress, as today we're just talking about a few different commercial high pressure cleaners available today and the benefits of using hot water, particularly with greasy components such as what you're going to find on earth moving machinery. Equipment owners know that keeping plant clean is a fundamental part of the maintenance program. A clean machine is easier to work on and makes what can potentially be major issues visible before they become disasters. High pressure cleaning without heat takes longer, uses loads of detergent and creates potential contaminated runoff. The use of a hot water machine, and by that we mean anything from 80 degrees Celsius through to the full strength steam at 135 degrees Celsius, is more effective and much faster. Aussie's way of turning cold water into a steam is simply to put a boiler between the pump, the gun and the hose. That enables high pressure water to be heated as it goes through the boiler coil. The coil is heated by a diesel fuel burner, and correctly used, it is fast, effective and can be very low cost. We calculate that 60 to 70% of all cleaning is done in a wash bay, adjacent to the workshop. Wash bay sheds outfitted with single or three-phase means power supply suit the application of diesel fuel-heated electric drive hot wash machines. These steamers may require 240 volts or 415 volts, depending on the size of the motor and the pressure and the flow required. Aussie's Sizzler is a great starting point. The Sizzler is an 80 degree Celsius, 1800 PSI single phase machine that comes loaded with features, and it's not built like a conventional European style steam unit. By that we mean it's got a steel chassis, 4 wheels for stability, a stainless steel cover, and slow speed pump and motor. It's built to last. These little machines are fitted up with a range of fail-safe equipment that makes them really easy to use and protects both the operator and the machine from misadventures. The machines are compact and favoured by hire companies as well. They can come with an optional stainless steel frame with a lifting bar. Big pressure too. Much bigger steam cleaners are also available with flows of up to 20 litres per minute and 4,000 PSI pressure rating. Using a 4,000 PSI steamer with the temperature knocked down from 135 degrees Celsius maximum temperature to an operating 90 degrees, will get the job done much faster and burn a lot less diesel through the pressure cleaner. Operators don't realise that 90 degree melts grease just as fast as the higher temperatures, but uses half the fuel. Aussie's Heatwave is a portable engine drive steam cleaner with 4,000 PSI and a maximum temperature of 120 degrees Celsius. The Heatwave comes in a stainless steel frame and is completely self-contained with its own diesel fuel tank, and it's powered by a Honda 13 horsepower electric start engine. The engine's electrical circuit provides the ignition for the burner. What that means for operators is that you can be in the middle of a paddock or construction site with a ute mounted Heatwave. You've got a suitable water tank, 400 to 1,000 litres, and be completely flexible about plant cleaning in the field. This really facilitates in-field service work. Nobody likes to get filthy doing an important repair on a machine. Further information on Aussie's range of hot shots is available from Australian Pump Industries. Apply for your Aussie Earthmoving Contractor Club membership and learn more about how high pressure cleaning can help you cut costs. I'll put a link below to their website, which is simply aussiepumps.com.au, but I would personally call them directly on 02 8865 3500, 8865 3500. And make sure you ask about this. Be sure to apply for your Aussie Earth Moving Contractor Club membership and learn more about how high pressure cleaning can help you out, help you cut costs whilst you're at it. Like I said before, I am very biased, but these machines are beasts. You can spec them. They're made literally here in Sydney. So when I got my machine, it's got a galvanized frame and all of the fruit. I got to say, for me, I think I over-spec'd it. It weighs a ton. Of course, it's got the lifting hook, but if I was to build it again, I personally, this is in my garage, you know, I'd probably go for something a bit different. All the higher machines, they've got the galvanized frames, or I believe the stainless steel frames. Again, I'm talking many years ago, but the build quality is better than it ever was. So these machines are seriously awesome. I don't know, all of the management, they came from equipment dealers. They probably don't want me to mention their history, where they came from particularly, but they know earth moving equipment. They understand your machines, and that's why they've got a contractor club specifically for earth movers. I'm rambling. Give them a call, 8865 3500 02 for Sydney, and check them out. Whilst you're at it, I'm going to pop up the little videos here. I'll point to the next video, so click on another video to learn all about different products. If you could hit subscribe, we've only got about 5% of the people that watch our videos are subscribed, so it really helps us a lot. I'm trying to boost the numbers because with YouTube, there's some cool features that I can offer once I get higher numbers. So subscribe, like, comment, and let me know your feelings about working on clean machines and what works, and if you've got a preference. So the comments below. Like I say, I'm biased, but I'm very, very open to what works as well. So thank you so much. Happy digging.